All right, we'll get everyone to just cup or cover their ears. So you're going to have to cup or cover your ears. Good. All right, and here we go. We're ending with a bang with semester. Woo! Joining us in this celebration. We'd like to continue the festivities. The science school students, after they pick up all the money that they've dropped, they're still our students, we're going to have them bring their friends and family over to the Telus room. So you'll exit these doors, head right down the bridge, and then at the end